What's good, everybody? This is Gabe from Pathfinder Crypto, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to connect your Ledger device to MetaMask so that you can get that added layer of security by using a hardware wallet on your MetaMask. That way, anytime a transaction is going through, the button has to be physically pressed on your wallet for it to confirm. That way you can securely store your crypto without having to worry too much about hackers. So in order to connect your Ledger device, you're going to go ahead and open up your MetaMask. You're then going to click on the top right symbol up here with your account, and you're going to click on Connect Hardware Wallet. Okay, and then you're going to want to open up the Ethereum application on your Ledger device. So you're going to need to make sure you have the Ethereum app downloaded. Go ahead and open up that application and click on Continue. You're then going to go ahead and select on your Nano X and click on Continue. You're then going to be able to select which account you want to add. So I'm going to be adding a new hardware wallet, so I'm going to activate my second address. If you're doing this for the first time, I recommend you use the number one wallet here and just use them in order, because if you start at 4 or something like that, you're going to have 3 unfilled wallets before it, and it might not show you the amount that you have on your Ledger Live app or whatever. So just for convenience sake, it's easier to start at 1. But I want to go ahead and add a second account here that I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select it and click on Unlock. And now you can see we have our second wallet activated on our Ledger device. So now every time you do transactions from this account, you're going to be asked to confirm the transaction on your Ledger device, and you're going to have to physically confirm that transaction, which prevents hackers or third parties from sending transactions without your authorization. So hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will make sure to get back to you on them and perhaps make other videos to help you further your crypto journey. So appreciate you guys watching. This is Gabe from Pathfinder Crypto, and I will see you in the next video.